I thought I would do my intro outside, and it's kind of windy. I filmed this part of the video yesterday and part of it today, and yeah, it was a lot sunnier yesterday. But okay, I feel like someone's watching me right now and I feel really awkward. Today I'm going to be showing you 4th of July treat ideas, and a lot of them are really easy and fun. I keep looking over there. So yeah, if you're having a party and you want something like really fast and easy but also to look really cool, this is the video for you, and I try to make them really cool. I found like all the ideas on Pinterest, and yeah. So I hope you enjoy this video. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I think that's it. Let's just get right into the video. So to make the strawberry shortcake cups, you will need whipped cream, strawberries, blueberries, and angel food cake. So I just started by breaking up the angel food cake, and then I layered strawberries, blueberries, and then whipped cream. And then I just decided to cut half a strawberry and put that on top of the whipped cream. And I added these little sparklers on top, and I actually had them for 2 years now, I think, but I just think they're so cute, so I added that on top. And yeah, this is like a really simple and easy recipe to make, and it's red, white, and blue, so it's perfect for 4th of July. So for the Oreos, you will need Oreos, white chocolate candy melt, some sprinkles, and red food coloring. So I just started by dipping all the Oreos in the white chocolate, and then I decided to add some red stripes on it, but it ended up turning out pink, so just ignore that. So yeah, I just added red food coloring to the white chocolate to make the red stripes, but yeah, it didn't really even work out. And then I put red, white, and blue sprinkles on top, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, they still turned out really cute, even though the picture on Pinterest was better than mine, but at least I tried. So you will need red and blue sprinkles and ice cream sandwiches. So basically all I did was just sprinkle red and blue sprinkles, and it made like a really cool effect. It ended up turning out so cool. So yeah, and you can take really cool Instagram pictures after you make this, and they're like so easy to make. So I would recommend this one. So this one is one of my favorites. You will need brownies, some kebab skewers, some marshmallows, and strawberries and blueberries. So I basically just started putting all of the fruit, brownies, and marshmallows onto the stick. And yeah, it turned out super cute, and I just love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!